like this, or even go, a little bit stronger with it. So, it makes it very nice and really communicates exactly what you want to kind of So once the varnishing is complete, then just a matter of letting it set overnight, and we'll rinse and seal it.
Just make sure if you get anything on it, you clean it off. That's all. If it doesn't seal, it doesn't plastic. You can wash it or whatever.
Well, you got tons of stuff done in the last couple of days, but hopefully you got a little bit of idea of some of the things that are going into townhouse.
But that's what I was saying, there's a ton more to come. Some really good looking railings, tons of stuff.
The next time we're on the carpet, and we're going to give you a little sneak preview of the furniture going in. So go ahead and do that.
And I'm in the conscious. Thanks for watching.
Visit hometimes.org. We've got more details about our project, tips on owning and maintaining a home, and a great philosophy of building and remodeling. Stop by and visit hometimes.org.
Sunday night at 8 on NPT.